Switch words possess the ability to manifest your desires in just one word. If you're unaware of switch words or are unfamiliar with them, they are a form of affirmation that employ single word, commands, or short phrases to bring about positive changes and the manifestation of particular experiences and desires. When used with intention, they can be an incredibly potent tool for realizing the life of your dreams. James Mangan is said to have developed the switch words technique in the 1960s. This process is based on the notion that specific words can activate energies within the body and mind, creating a shift in one's vibration and consciousness. And my belief is that it modifies the subconscious mind. In essence, switch words are precise phrases and words that serve as a switch, activating the subconscious mind and allowing you to manifest your desired outcome with the law of attraction. Switch words are intended to concentrate on a single word or phrase, bypassing the conscious mind and accessing the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind holds all your manifestation power. By repeating a switch word or phrase, you imprint your mind in such a way that it opens your perception to your desires and manifests them into your life. Nonetheless, it's crucial to realize that switch words require commitment and dedication from you to achieve your desired outcomes. When it comes to altering the subconscious mind, you must adopt new habits that imprint the subconscious mind with new cues in a language that it understands. Switch words aren't necessarily magical spells, as some have suggested, but they are quite magical in that they can assist us in bypassing our rational and logical minds and entering into a more creative, childlike flow of manifestation. Switch words are a tool that, when used correctly, can bring significant positive changes into your life. Now, it's fascinating to know that switch words were originally discovered by Sigmund Freud, who observed that certain words in his patients' dreams acted like bridges, carrying both a literal and subconscious covert meaning. These words triggered the subconscious mind, bringing hidden thoughts to the surface that were previously concealed from the conscious mind. Through this process, switch words allowed the subconscious mind to communicate, revealing its secrets for Freud to analyze. Bringing together these two aspects of the mind, the ego-driven self-identity of the conscious mind and the enormous mystery of the subconscious and unconscious, is a source of healing and manifestation. In addition, switch words serve as a single form of hypnotic suggestion, with the words anchoring the intention into the subconscious mind. This makes them a powerful tool for unlocking the potential of the mind and harnessing it to achieve your goals. The subconscious mind operates using programs, much like a computer program. These programs are based on past experiences and over time become hardwired patterns that automatically trigger when similar events are experienced. These patterns create ways of being, which in turn generate specific thoughts and feelings in the conscious mind that are believed to be true. This is why individuals often repeat experiences, whether beneficial or harmful, unless changes are made at the subconscious level. Switch words can be used to create a significant change in these patterns. Now, these words are based on meaning, and the subconscious mind assigns meaning to everything in life. For switch words to be effective, they must have specific meaning to the individual using them. Using someone else's switch words may not produce the desired results, so it's essential to find the word or phrase that resonates with your desired manifestation. Switch words are simple and easy to use. Here are some examples. The word together creates unity and connection with others. The word love attracts love and positive relationships. The word clear clears the mind and releases negative thoughts and emotions. The word glow promotes physical health. The word count can trigger your mind to think about abundance and financial prosperity. The word divine promotes healing and spiritual growth. Now, to use switch words effectively, repeat the chosen word or phrase silently or aloud throughout the day with the intention of manifesting the desired outcome. To find the most effective switch word or phrase for your manifestation, you need to understand the meaning behind it and how it relates to your subconscious mind. It's important to choose a word or phrase that resonates with you personally and has significance in your life. If you're not getting the desired results with a particular switch word, don't give up. It just means that the word may not have the right meaning for your subconscious mind. To find the best switch word for you, you can experience with different ones until you find the right one that feels best to you. Now, the good news is that using switch words is easy and simple. There are various ways to incorporate them into your daily routine, such as repeating them in your mind or writing them down. To create your own personal switch words, it's important to choose a desire that is a priority for you and something that you would like to work on immediately. Once you have identified your desire, recall a memory from your past that made you feel happy, loved, abundant, free, confident, or anything else that brought you joy. It is essential that this memory is related to your manifestation desire. As you relive this memory in your mind, notice a specific moment in the memory when your energy shifted and everything began to flow magically. This is the moment where you want to identify the word that represents the switch in your energy. This word will be used as your personal switch word. For example, if you're manifesting a new relationship, you might recall a time when someone you loved called you by a nickname. That nickname can be used as your switch word for love and relationships. If you're manifesting more confidence, you may recall a time when your mom baked cookies to celebrate your successes, causing a switch in your energy. In this case, your switch word could be cookie, because your subconscious mind associates it with success and confidence. Or if you want to manifest more money or abundance, the word aunt might trigger memories of when your aunt used to give you some money every time she saw you. If you can't recall a memory from your own life that is related to your desire, you can also use a favorite movie scene to create associations. By doing this, you are triggering the meaning that your subconscious mind has already placed on those words. Now, it is important to remember that the switch word or phrase that you use should have a specific meaning to you and the workings of your mind. If you use someone else's switch word and do not manifest the intended results, you will want to do some investigative work to find the word that best fits the meaning that you are using for your manifestation. Using switch words is actually very simple and easy. Once you have identified your personal switch word or phrase, you can use it in various ways, such as writing it down, repeating it silently, out loud, or even visualizing it. By consistently using your switch word or phrase, you will train your brain and your subconscious mind to associate it with your manifested desire, which will help you bring it into your reality. Now, to use your personal switch words or phrases for manifesting, simply focus on the word or phrase and repeat it silently or out loud. You can also create a meaningful phrase by combining a few words. Writing it down or using it as a mantra during meditation or visualization exercise can also be helpful. Now, remember to link yourself with the meaning of the switch word rather than the words themselves to enhance its effectiveness. By using your personalized switch words or phrases, you'll be sending a clear signal to your subconscious mind to manifest your desires into reality. Now, here are some effective ways to use your switch words or phrases for manifestation. One way is to use them as affirmations by repeating them a few times each day, either mentally or out loud. Now, it's important that you don't overdo this, as casual repetition works best with your subconscious mind. When you think of your switch word or phrase, simply repeat it a few times with an authentic feeling, as it's your unique creation. Now, another way is to write your switch word or phrase on a sticky note and place them in areas where you will see them frequently. This helps to keep the meaning of the word or phrase in your awareness and strengthens the connection to your subconscious mind. By using these simple techniques, you will find that your switch words become a natural and effortless part of your everyday life, leading to manifestation of your desires. Now, in addition to affirmations and sticky notes, you can also do visualization and writing to strengthen your connection with your chosen switch word or phrase. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to bring your desired outcome to life in your mind's eye. As you visualize, repeat your switch word or phrase to make the experience more impactful. Similarly, Writing your switch word repeatedly can be a powerful way to impress it onto your subconscious mind. The repetitive motion creates a deep impression in your mind, and you may even find yourself daydreaming about your manifestation as you write. Now, remember that switch words are simple, yet potent commands that can shift your mindset and energy, bringing experiences and opportunities into your life. So, if you're looking for a straightforward and very effective way to tap into your inner power and harness the law of attraction, consider exploring the power of switch words. With regular practice, you can transform your thoughts, emotions, and reality, making your dreams come true. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to manifest the life that you truly desire.